Dear students, good morning, namaste. It is a coaching class for second year PU2 and we are in the synopsis of straight lines. Okay, now here I want to take the number of formulas, 20 formulas, which are useful to solve the problems in a shortcut way. Those formulas are not in a regular syllabus. Of course, in our syllabus, the chapter is actually the objective concept of this chapter is more. Its boundaries is more than the syllabus of a straight line. Okay, now. So I want to give all the information. That is the synopsis. Okay, then? Yeah. This is part 3. In the synopsis, you see Arabic number 5. We discussed about the formations of straight lines. All straight lines, equations, different types of equations are over. Now, foot of the perpendicular from any point on any line. You see, here, the concept is, for this one I am doing. There is a point P, x1, y1. And a line is there, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is a line. From the point P, if you draw a perpendicular, let it be q. This foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point P is q. Then, what are the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point P? Is any point outside, not on the line. Okay, now? From that point, if you draw a perpendicular, then the foot where that perpendicular meets the line, given line, x plus by plus c, that q point, the coordinates of that q point is asked. Foot of the perpendicular drawn from any point P on any line. That line is x plus by plus c. It's a general formula. If it is h comma k, if you assume it is h comma k, if it is h comma k, the coordinates of P is h comma k, then it can be derived from this equation. Okay, now? This is the one formula. H minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Okay, now? It is a formula. I will tell clearly. Here you see there, don't confuse. x1, y1 are the numbers. A, b, or c also are the coefficients here. So while we are solving a problem, we can easily understand that one. Okay, now? Suppose I want to tell a line is there. This is 3x plus 4y minus, I will tell it, just 1 minute. Please. Suppose we take one line. It is one example. I am taking one example. 3x plus 4y minus 19, we will take it. It is 0. It's a line. Suppose there is a point P, it is 5 comma 4. Okay, now? We don't know this point. It is q na. Let it be, it is h comma k. You get it? Now, you see, it is h comma k, this is a, this is b, this is c. It is x1, y1. Okay, now, related to this one, I will tell clearly. It is h minus x1 using this formula. h minus x1 is 5 by, okay, it is 3. Is k minus 4 by b is 4. And it is a minus of ax1. A is 3 na? 3 into x1 is 5. Plus b into, here you see, b y1 is there. b into 4 minus 19. Okay na? By a square plus b square. A square means 3 square plus 4 square. So it is here only. It is minus of 15 plus 16. 31 minus 19 is 12. By this is 3 square 9. 9 plus it is 9 plus 16 is okay na 25. So it is 25. Okay na? That means h minus 5 by 3, k minus 4 by 3, 4. Now it is h minus 5 is equal to, it is 3 minus 36 by 25, 3 12 minus 36 by 25, and it is plus 5. Okay na? That is 125 minus 36 by 25. Okay na? Like that we can calculate h value. Is it clear? Similarly, k value is there. K is equal to, it is minus 48 by 25. Okay na? Minus 48 by 25 and plus 4 will come. 4 here it is 75 only. If you solve it, we will get. It is 100 minus 48 by 25. So by using like that, we can find the h value, k value. How it is calculated? Just I am giving you an example only. We will clearly solve in the exercise problem. Don't confuse them. This is the foot of the perpendicular. It's a very nice problem. Foot of the perpendicular from any given point or any given line using this formula. Okay, like this one. Is it clear? We'll come again on the exercise. Many problems are there. We will solve it. So this is the formula. Formula is h minus x1 by a, this a, k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of that one. Again we will come to the image of the any point, say p, x1 comma y1, on any line, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, is alpha comma beta. That alpha comma beta can be derived from this equation. It is one to only formula. Okay, na? It is a formula. See, what is the image with respect to? It is simply I wrote on the line with respect to the given line. You see, this is p point x1 comma y1. The line, this is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here is now the point q. Q is alpha gamma beta. Here q is image of the given point p with respect to the line. Image means it is a real and it is image. Say for example it is a mirror. In the front of mirror a point is there. Through the mirror we can find the image of the real point p. That means mathematically I have to say the midpoint of p and q is lying on the straight line. It is also perpendicular. It is a perpendicular. That is the concept. Then here you see same it is just like h minus x1 like this only. But here h gamma k alpha gamma beta. But here also the same formula. What is the third step? But minus 2 is there. Okay, na? That is the thing. We will discuss later. while we are solving the problems, there we can easily find that we can how to use this formula and finding the image. So image of any point with respect to line, it doesn't lie on the line. Only foot of the perpendicular lies on the line. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, we'll go to next third one. The length of perpendicular from any point P on the line. It is also a good concept. You see that? A good concept. Okay, it is in the modulus. Length is always in the modulus, in the formula. Okay, how it is? I will get drawing the diagram. It is a point P x1 comma y1. It is a line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So, okay, perpendicular length. It is a perpendicular. PQ is a perpendicular. This PQ, the length of perpendicular drawn from P on the line PQ. Of course, Q is the foot of the perpendicular here. That is a different one. Not we are finding the coordinates of foot of the perpendicular, but we are finding the length of the perpendicular. What is the length PQ? Is the same x for y we substitute the coordinates of that point from which we are finding the perpendicular. X1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. But it is often confusion. In the length of perpendicular, denominator root of a square plus b square, whereas in the image and foot of the perpendicular, we use a square plus b square only. Don't use here a root. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, now, it also, while we are solving the problems, easily we can understand how to we use this formula. Okay, yes, just pass. Okay, next, 8th one, Arabic number 8. The answer is 8th one is consider equation 2 line that passing through a x1 comma y1 and parallel to a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is, how it is, I will write it. It is ax plus by, okay na? I will write clearly. A of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 is equal to 0. Okay na? You see. Here, this concept is a good concept now. A line is there, that is a given line. Its equation is this one, you assume. This is the equation, ax plus by plus c. And another line is there, that is parallel to this line, but it is passing through a given point x1 comma y1. Then its equation is this one. Okay, na? A line, required line is parallel to the given line and passing through a given point is the same A, the same B in the given line. The constant will not come. X minus x1, y minus y1, like that one. Suppose, for example, any line that is passing through A 5 gamma 6 and parallel, it's a notation for parallel to 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now, then yes, that line is, it is same 3. x minus this 5. Same for y minus this 6 is equal to 0, not that 5. So this is 3x minus 15 plus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0. That is 3x plus 4y minus 39 is equal to 0. Is correct? So this is the required line which is parallel to this line. Yes, they are parallel because coefficient of x and y are the same. Only constants are different. Right? Yeah. Now another concept. The example is over. Okay, Dada? Next. Ninth one. Distance between parallel lines. Parallel lines are there. You see, ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. And same ax, same by plus c2 is equal to 0. Only if the constants are different, the coefficient of x and y are same, then they are parallel lines. What is the distance between these parallel lines? Yes, you see, it is a c1 minus c2 by, it is a root of a square plus b square. It's a very good concept. c1 minus c2 constants difference by root of a square plus b square. You see, for example, 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. And 3x plus 4y, okay, plus 6 is equal to 0 is there. The difference is, clearly we know it is a 5. You see, by using the formula, the distance is c1 minus c2, it is a modulus. So we use 1 minus 6, c1 minus c2 by root of 3 square plus 4 square. It is minus 5 by 5. So it is a 1 mole. 5 by 5 cancels. Minus 1 means 1 mole. So distance is 1. Okay, now one more example I want to give. You see that. Suppose it is another example. It is 3x plus 4y same plus 6 is equal to 0. One line is there. Next 6x plus 8y plus 10 is equal to 0. Here for appearance the two lines are not parallel because the coefficients of x and y are different. But in the same ratio, 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8. Okay, na? The coefficients, the ratio a by a1 by a2, b1 by b2, if it is equal, that means it is 1 by 2 na. It is also 1 by 2. So they are parallel. But here, don't 10 minus 6 by root of a square, that means 3 square plus 4 square is wrong. First of all, we have to change this one. So we are dividing with 2 now. 6x means by 2, 3x, 4. 8x by 2 means 4x. 10 by 2 is 5. Now this is the line. I am dividing with 2. Okay, Dana? Yeah. Now distance is very simple. Distance is this 6 minus not 10. It is over there. This can be written as like this. In order to make the coefficients of x and y are same. By it is root of same 3 square plus 4 square, not 6 square plus 8 square. It is 1 by 5. Okay, na? Like that we can solve the problems. It is a concept, distance between parallel lines and any line parallel to given line equation. Okay, na? Now, I think 10th one. The 10th one is any line that is perpendicular to a given line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and passing through capital A is x1 comma y1 is observe it is b of x minus x1 minus a of y minus y1 is equal to 0. Okay, na? A difference is there. A lot of difference is there. There we use the same a of plus b of, but here the coefficient of y becomes as coefficient of x. Coefficient of x becomes as minus the coefficient of y. A lot of difference is there. Okay, na? So for example, any line is perpendicular to same 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 and passing, just I am taking, very clearly we will solve in the exercise. It is minus 1 comma minus 2 assume. It is perpendicular to this line and passing through this one. It is 4 of is this b 4 of x minus of minus 1 minus 3 of not plus minus 3 of y minus of minus 2 is equal to not plus 5. It is 4 of x plus 1 minus 3 of y plus 2 is equal to 0. It is 4x minus 3y. It is plus 4 minus 6 is equal to 0, plus 4 minus 6. So 4x minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. So here it is, okay, na? This is the line which is perpendicular to the given line. The line is this one, for the perpendicular. The slope is minus 3 by 4. Here the slope is 4 by 3 only. The product is like that. Okay, now this is the 10th arbitrary number. That is a very good concepts. Okay, then like that. Please, listen. Okay. 11th one. Finding orthocenter. And circumcenter. There are two important centers are there. Observe. I want to tell it clearly. Suppose a triangle is there like this. It is A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 is there. It is a triangle, given triangle. Orthocenter means if you draw the perpendiculars from vertices on the opposite sides, okay, there are altitudes. The meet at one point is say h. That is orthocenter. Orthocenter is the perpendicular. I mean point of concurrence of altitudes drawn from the vertices. Okay, altitudes, they are altitudes. They meet at one point. That point is orthocenter. How can you find orthocenter? You see, when the 2D formula is there, 2D. That is, it is x of x1 minus x2 plus y of y1 minus y2 is equal to x3 of x1 minus x2, the same. plus y3 of y1 minus y2. You see that? Here, you see, the x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the numbers only. If you substitute here the numbers, we will get one equation, a simple equation will come. It will become as a simple equation. Yeah, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 like that. If this equation is satisfied, okay, na? Suppose first option is some 2 comma 3, second option is 4 comma minus 1, third option is some 5 comma 6, and fourth option is some none, just like this. So, which satisfies this equation. This equation is satisfied by only one of the 4 options. That option is a orthocenter. Okay, na? Like that. This is the very good concept. Or otherwise, we have to find the one altitude AD and another altitude BE, like that. We have to find. That is finding the slope of BC, finding the slope of AC, and passing through A point, passing through B point. Like that, we have to find that AD equation.